part one on how to remove, delete, eviscerate fatigue, tiredness, sluggishness, laziness from your life. And why should that be important? Because to accomplish any goal you want, whether it be fitness, financial, business, personal relationships, that currency is energy. So, to delete fatigue permanently from your life, and we're not gonna rely on masking it with caffeine, endless cups of coffee, or energy drinks, or stimulants, Adderall, etc., which we'll get into in other parts. But we must get into the root cause that's keeping your energy levels here and from where they optimally should be, which is, for most people, is a big gap. And here becomes your new norm, and you're basically going through life on energy saver mode, which you can't have, especially in 2025. So we must delve into the root cause, which is fixing your circadian rhythm. That's the first root cause we must address and solve. And we solve this by limiting the amount of blue light from your devices late in the evening, blasting against your retina, tricking your brain into believing it is still daylight, keeping you awake and throwing your circadian rhythm out of whack. So the first step is removing or eliminating or reducing blue light exposure, I would say as early as possible. Realistically at sunset, to mimic how it naturally be, but that's unrealistic for most people. But then again, you don't want to be like most people. As a whole nother topic. But I would say realistically, limit your blue light exposure, which we get from our phones, the main source. If you can't limit it, you could look into getting blue light blocker glasses, and wear those until you're ready to fall asleep. So that'd be part one of fixing your circadian rhythm, is eliminating blue light exposure. Part two of fixing your circadian rhythm is by setting your timer for 10 minutes before sunrise, and then exposing your retina to the natural sunlight for 3 consecutive days for 10 to 15 minutes. And that will reset your circadian rhythm. Those 2 things alone, limiting blue light exposure after sunset via coming off your devices, using blue light blocking glasses, and getting natural sunlight into your retinas the following morning at sunrise for 3 consecutive days will fix your circadian rhythm and go a long ways to reducing and eliminating your fatigue. Because that is the root problem in the modern, permanently distracted and online society we currently live in. So that's the first step in fixing your circadian rhythm.